Presenting the IFB 6 kg fully automatic front-loading washing machine in silver color. This washing machine comes with 2D wash system that uses a shower system for thorough soaking of clothes to ensure that the clothes are cleaned better. Also, the crescent moon grooves on the drum surface create a gentle water cushion that prevents any kind of damage to your clothes. This IFB washing machine comes with a built-in device to energize the water so that detergent dissolves better in this treated water to give clothes a softer wash. It also comes with a ball valve technology that lets the water out while keeping the detergent in. This technology prevents wastage and enhances the wash. With the auto balance system, the machine automatically detects unbalanced clothes and redistributes the load to maintain a consistent and stable wash. With a maximum rotational speed of 800 RPM, the washing machine delivers efficient cleaning. This high spin speed enables easy drainage of water at the end of the wash cycle. The washing machine also comes with a laundry add feature that lets you add missed laundry even after the wash cycle has started. This washing machine comes with 4 years comprehensive brand warranty. You can avail the EMI or no-cost EMI option. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card and net banking. You can schedule the delivery of this product at a day and time of your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with the brand for installing your product within 48 hours of delivery. In case you receive the product in a condition that is damaged or defective, we offer a free 10-day return replacement policy. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.